Welcome to Georgian Bay Airways in beautiful Parry Sound, Ontario. I'm your pilot, Keith. Would you like to try a truly unique experience? Today we're going on a fly and ride ATV adventure with Bear Claw Tours. Let's go! Your ATV tour starts with a 20-minute safety briefing. There they get you comfortable with the vehicle. And then we get going. It's a 4-hour guided ATV tour that encompasses rocks, trees, lakes, and rivers. After 4 hours of ATVing, Georgian Bay Airways picks you up for a sightseeing tour around the 30,000 Islands.